So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another lace closure wig review. Now, I'm actually kind of disappointed in this wig because I was so excited to get it, and I realized a couple things, of course, after receiving it and putting it on for this review. So I'm definitely going to get into that a little bit later on in this video, but of course I did receive this wig from a store on Amazon. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, so it's right here on the screen for you guys, but they reached out to me and asked me to review this 26-inch lace closure wig. Okay, so if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it is a 5x5 lace closure wig. So there was lace in the front, which I did cut off. Now I did go in with my Ebin tinted lace spray in the shade light warm brown, and I tinted the lace. So yeah, I got off camera and put a little heat to it, my flat iron, my hot comb. I put some hair wax in certain places, so this is why it kind of looks stringy, but I'm definitely going to get into that a little bit later. But let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. Alright, so again, this is from a store on Amazon. I believe it's Ecuador, not too sure, but this is their 5x5 HD lace closure human hair wig. Now the length that I have is 26 inches. It's in natural black or natural color, and it retails for $128.99. So again, 5x5, so the lace is 5, and then the parting space is 5 as well. It says that it's pre-plucked natural hairline. You can do a side part or a middle part, whichever you prefer. And let's see, I don't want to leave out any other information, but that might be all. Of course you can dye it, you can bleach it, and here we go. So it's 10A grade, 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, 5x5 HD lace closure. The color is a natural black. Can dye it, can bleach it, can curl it, restyle it. The simple fact that's 5x5 lace, of course, like I said, you can part it middle or side. The hair is 180% density. They have other available lengths between, it looks like 20 inches and 34 inches. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so like I said, I really wanted, like I was super excited to get this wig, okay? Because for one reason, it's 26 inches and I love 26-inch hair. So I had got off camera when I had flat iron and all that stuff. I did a middle part. And then when I finally was getting ready to get back to filming, it looked weird, okay? I didn't glue it down. I didn't spray it down. So I'm wearing the wig glueless, of course, because you can wear it glueless. But it was just looking weird, okay? So then I switched it to a side part. That's the clip that you see me doing a turnaround. So I switched it to a side part, and then when I was getting ready to finish the video, I wasn't too much feeling the side part. The hair is soft, the length is nice, but what I did notice is that y'all can see this, there's a different length in the front, okay? So I was expecting this wig to be 26 inches all around, okay? Top to bottom, beginning to end, and it's not. It's a shorter length in the front, and then the rest is 26 inches. So with that, I'm kind of bummed because like I said, I was expecting a full 26-inch wig, no layers, none of that stuff. And then I've had this problem before where it's kind of stringy in the front. Probably, you know, after I'm gonna give this wig another chance, okay? I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna give it another chance, probably pluck it some more. I might actually glue it down next time, but for the sake of this video, I didn't want to glue it down. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks glueless and all that stuff. Now when I put my flat iron to it, it did flat iron pretty well. So that's nice. The hair quality is nice. I really do like the hair quality. It's nice and soft. It takes heat well and all of that. I'm just kind of bummed with the, you know, the shorter length in the front. That's what I'm bummed about the most. Y'all see that? That is a different length, okay? And then it was just looking kind of weird to me at first. I don't know. I don't know if it's my makeup. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I just was not, what I was expecting, I did not get, okay? But I do like the wig. It's cute. It's really cute. The length is nice. Like I said, it's really cute, but I'm just bummed a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how she looks in the front. Again, 26 inches, so she's to where my belt is at currently. The side, the back, and the other side. So she's cute. Like I said, I'm gonna give her one more chance. I'm gonna wash her. Even if I don't wash her fully, I'll wash her in the front because like I said, I did put some hair wax on. And I'm gonna see, you know, how she works out for me. I know sometimes after I wash a wig, it either works out better for me or it doesn't. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay. But I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, all that good stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.